Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork Indian style. We will embark on a flavorful journey, starting with selecting the right cuts and understanding the magic of Indian spices. You will learn to create a dish that is both rich in aroma and incredibly tender. Get ready to transform simple pork into an extraordinary meal, perfect for any occasion, impressing your family and friends with your culinary skills. The heart of Indian pork lies in its spices and marination. Begin with a blend of turmeric, red chili powder, coriander, and garam masala. For the marinade, combine about 1 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and the juice of 1 whole lemon. Allow your pork to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or, for the best results, let it rest overnight in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for infusing deep, complex flavors. Achieving perfectly tender Indian pork involves careful cooking. You can slow cook it on a stovetop for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or use a pressure cooker for a quicker 30 to 45-minute cook time. Start by sautéing the marinated pork over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes to develop a beautiful sear. Then, gradually add about 1 cup of water or broth, allowing it to simmer and create a rich, aromatic gravy. To complete your Indian pork masterpiece, presentation and final touches are key. Garnish generously with about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. This dish pairs wonderfully with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or a simple side of steamed green beans. For an extra layer of brightness, squeeze the juice of half a lime over the dish just before serving. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Indian-style pork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.